Hey everybody, Eve here. Today I'm just going to do a little instructional video on how to do my favorite type of braid. For the tools, you're going to need a wide tooth comb, your scraggly hair like mine, a couple of hair bands, any size, shape, color, or whatever that you like. I'm wearing a headscarf because I have so many scars from cancer on my forehead, so I do my best to conceal those. If you don't like that, you don't have to do the scarf. It's just something standard little wide tooth comb. Take your hair and divide it into two halves. Here's what we're going to do. Make sure there's no tangles, okay? Just make sure there's no tangles in your hair. And then what I like to do is just lightly back comb. Not heavily. As you can see, I'm just taking my brush. And now I may have to move back so that you guys can get a full view, because I do have rather long hair. It's just the way I like it. Like I said, try to get the tangles out, but you don't have to be a perfectionist. Just do the best you can, because it's going to be a kind of a sloppy braid anyway. Alright, and I just, like I said, back comb. You want it to be, what happens is this makes the braid a lot thicker and fluffier, because I have very fine, thin hair, and it is what it is. So, once you get them about to the thickness or fluffiness, then I kind of like hand comb them a little bit. And then what I do is you take your hair and pull it forward. Okay, as much as you want to pull forward, kind of like this. And I'll take, and now this is taking that one, and I go over the top. Okay, just go over the top and just softly, or if you prefer a tighter braid, more tightly, and then I just keep twisting it until I get to where I want it to stop. And crazy. And if your hair has a blunt cut like mine does, used to I didn't, and now I keep kind of a blunt cut because I like to do that to my braid. And then there you have a kind of fluffy, fat boho twist braid. And then I do the same thing on this side. You kind of, all right, over the front, and just loosely braid or twist. You'll get really good at it after a while. And then I take my other tie and I keep them on my wrist so I don't lose them, but sometimes I lose them anyway because I drop them and they go flying into the bowels of my buggy. Okay, so there we go. That's it. Okay, forgive me while I look in my mirror to see if I've done it right, because I cannot deal with that. Okay, so if you want to tighten them a little bit, you take them and twist them that way. Twist them out. Okay, that tightens them, and then if you want to loosen them, that doesn't do a very good job of loosening them. They'll loosen up as the day goes on. But as you can see, kind of going like this. You just kind of go like this. See how, chubby and fluffy they get? And back comb a little bit at the base of the hair at the bottom. And again. Yep. All right, there. Jumbo fluffy braid. See, and if you'll notice, you just do this a little bit. Play with them a little bit, like that, and they get even, more. For watching my boho braid tutorial, and until next time, may Christ bless each and every one of you most abundantly. And yeah, while you're here, please thumbs up, comment on, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Eve, over and